Tuscan 3-meat sauce for spaghetti. So pici is particular to Tuscany, particular to the region.
Okay.
And it's super dense spaghetti.
Yum.
So you can make this dish just with regular spaghetti or bucatini,
Yeah.
you know, the
Yeah.
hollow spaghetti.
Sure.
What I want you to do, Nate, is
Okay.
liberally salt the water. This is the only chance you get to flavor the pasta itself.
Okay.
And then gently slide your pici in.
Okay.
And just
all of it?
move it around a little.
Okay.
There you go, all of it,
Okay.
yes. In this pot, instead of carrot, celery, and onion, I did carrot, shallot, and fennel, fresh fennel and celery. So we have our sofrito, or the beginning of our sauce.
Okay.
Now we're going to add fresh sage and fresh rosemary.
Beautiful.
Okay. We're going to add a little bit of nutmeg to our sauce. We grate in our garlic. We wait to put in the garlic and the herbs so we don't singe them. This is beef, pork, and veal. Add it to the pot.
How?
With your hands! Oh my God.
No, I'll do it. But like,
Pick up the paper.
Oh, just throw it in?
And put it into the pan. Look how he does that without even touching it. Now take this.
Okay.
And break it up as it cooks.
I thought you were gonna make me like make little chunks with my fingers and stuff.
No, it's fine.
All right.
You have to get over these things. Okay, now very traditional smell. Very traditional to Tuscan food is the use of porcinis. Porcini season is very limited. So we've reconstituted dry porcinis. I'm going to chop that up. And we're now going to add our very traditional ingredient for Tuscan cooking, porcinis.
Okay.
Right?
Great.
So we put the porcini in, and now we're going to do the fun part. We're going to add about a cup of white wine and let it absorb into the meat.
Okay.
And we're going to add our beautiful porcini stock.
Got it.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay. When you're making anything with reconstituted mushrooms, some of the grit from the mushroom may fall to the bottom of the pot.
Got it.
You always reserve the last couple of spoonfuls. You don't use that last bit. We're gonna add our tomatoes and let them cook out with our meat. So we drain our pasta, in this case pici, the Tuscan fat spaghetti that's very dense, takes about 22 minutes to cook. So now we're marrying the pasta to a little butter and cheese. This is pecorino, AKA sheep's milk, salty grated cheese.
Yum.
And now we're gonna, Nate, will you turn that off for me, babe?
Sure.
This is our 3-meat Tuscan style meat sauce with our porcini.
I would have never thought to pick it up with a coffee mug. I would have been like with a ladle and like, I would have used this probably.
Yes. Oh, that would only take a year.
Right.
And then we're going to pour the pasta into the serving bowl. And then we're going to, no, it's not yes yet.
It is kind of yes yet. I gotta say,
it
they're
isn't.
right. It smells so
It
good.
isn't. It
It's
isn't.
literally like this.
It's not done.
Wait, bye.
It's not done.
Oh.
This pasta is served with a little bit of acidity. We put lemon zest over the top. It gives it a brightness.
Okay.
And helps cut through all of the 3 meats and the cheese and the butter and all that. Now, my friend.
Almost worth it. Cheers, love. Thank you.